do to Benjamin?
All over his face.
You got something all over his face?
Over his face.
What did you put on him? Huh?
Hello.
What'd you put on him?
Hello.
Powder? You put powder on him? Let's see what... Oh my goodness, look at this mess. Ugh. The poor kid can't even sleep in peace. Oh my god. Look what she did to him. Poor Benjamin. Look what you did to him. He was just trying to sleep. Look at the mess you made. And the poor kid is... Look at... Oh my gosh. I didn't even notice what she did to the chair.
Look at that.
Look at that. Look at that. What did you do to him? Huh? What did you do?
Poor face.
I hope that comes off my couch. Poor kid. Benjamin. Benjamin. Hey. Benjamin. Benjamin.
Look at the eyes.
Benjamin. Look at the eyes. That's not funny. Benjamin.
Oh my goodness. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Look at your face. Oh my goodness.
Do you know what is all over your face when you're sleeping? You know what your sister did?
Oh my goodness.
Do you want to look in the mirror? Do you want to look in the mirror?
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Are you awake yet? Do you see what your sister did to you? Benjamin. Benjamin. Hey.
Oh my goodness.
What do you mean, oh my goodness? Oh my goodness? What did you do?
That's close.
Look at poor Benjamin.
You know, my eyes are taking.
Benjamin, move your head over there.
No.
Move your head over there. Get away from that area.
Get away with it.
Benjamin.
On the floor.
Hey. Benjamin. Come move
No.
over here.
No.
Come here. What happened?
Look at foot.
What happened, Benjamin?
Oh my goodness.
Get all the smoke. What happened? Oh, goodness. That's my children. Done by Desiree, right? You don't do that. Look at me. You don't do that. Okay? Look at me. Hey. Benjamin, stop.
What?
Okay. Desiree.